Hello, hello! Here we are walking or taking the last steps to the hostel to pick up our luggage bags after a nice coffee over here. Yeah, so we're gonna pick our bags and maybe fill up my water bottle and then head back to the Edinburgh station to catch the train and say goodbye to Edinburgh. I will keep coming again and again in the future. You are such a nice place to be at. Right, so the nature call has been answered. Now fill my water bottle from the, let's say, the living area, which is over here. Alright, so my bag is already here. He has already pulled it from the luggage room. So just need to exit now. Exit.
See ya.
Bye. Thank you. Yes. Alright, so here we have said bye-bye to the hostel, and now we are on our way to Edinburgh Waverley. Enjoy the music of Scotland. He is wearing the kilt, the socks matching the kilt. Okie dokes. Where is the station? Where is the station? Station is that way or this way?
Huh?
Station.
Station is there.
Yeah. There's a helicopter flying over Edinburgh. If I leave my bag, I'm not sure if I will be able to catch it. Let's see, it goes that way. Doesn't go straight. Yeah, I think Edinburgh is a place where I don't mind coming back again. I actually probably can, I think, plan to just come here, stay here, and maybe work from here for a week or so. That would be quite a nice idea, I think. Let's see if that happens. We'll keep you informed if that becomes a reality. I love the pedestrian crossing. I feel like King James. Enter from here or there? Alright, let's enter the station from where we never entered before. Here you get the view of a platform. Okay, looks like it's London King's Cross 3:30 train, but it hasn't got a platform yet, so time to wait. Okay, time to catch the train. Where is he? Platform number 9. It says. So where is platform number 9? The right side actually. Go straight 111 to train. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Alright, so this is number 9. So it is Coach J.
Is it 6 or 9?
What?
Because it looks all 6.
The 9, it's 9. Alright, so this is Coach J.
Is this one?
Coach J, yes.
See?
Open the doors. Alright.
Maybe we'll take them the last street.
And it should be good. Yeah,
Maybe it's better to take it with us.
and put up there. Sorry.
Maybe we'll get them.
Sorry. Thank you. So it is 34, Edinburgh to York.
Taking you some. That's very beautiful corners.
Here we are, finally, where we wanted to be. When we have no other choice, we fall back.
Eh?
And the gates open up for the train, and we land on the land of Cambridge. Cambridge, our city, beautiful. Where we came to Cambridge North.
No, we didn't book cables.
Huh?
We didn't book cables, you know?
What is it? Is it Cambridge?
Yeah.
I don't recognize it anymore.
This is the end.
I think so.
It's the last station, yeah?
Yeah.
I told you. You told me it's gonna take.
No. It's fine, all good. There you go, it looks pretty much the same. So yeah, time to call it an end of the trip to Scotland, especially Edinburgh. So hope you enjoyed the whole trip, whole journey. See you next time.